Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Anatharman means in otherwise, staying or living in otherwise. Otherwise means that I am spirit, soul. I have got spiritual body. But some or other circumstantially, on account of my desire, I get sometimes human body, and sometimes dog's body, sometimes cat's body, sometimes tree's body, sometimes demigod's body. There are different 8,400,000 different forms of body. So I am changing according to my desire, and according to my infection. Karanam gunasangas. These are the subtle things. That is the real knowledge of human being, not to invent something for temporary happiness. That is foolishness. That is foolishness. Wasting time. If we invent something for the comforts of this present body, I shall live very comfortably, but you will not be allowed, sir, to live comfortably. First of all, you know, suppose a man is constructing very nice house, very strong house, it will never fall down in any circumstances. That's all right, but what you have done for yourself, that you will never die, so that you will enjoy this. No, let me have a very strong built house. So house remains goes there. Strong built nation. This is Napoleon, constructed strong built arches. But where he has gone, nobody knows. So, therefore Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, sings, Jaravidya sab mayar bhuibhav, tomar bhajane bada. The more we advance in so-called material happiness, or material advancement, the more we forget our real identity. This is the result. So, we should understand that we have got a separate business, real business, that is called self-realization. That I am not this body, this is self-realization. That is being instructed by Krishna in the beginning. You are not this body. The first understanding, first knowledge is to understand that I am not this body, I am spirit soul. I have got a different business. It is not that these temporary actions or activities, like as a dog, or as a human being, or as a tiger, or as a tree, or as a fish, there are activities. Ahara nidra bhaya vaithunancha. The same principle of bodily necessities, eating, sleeping, sex life, and defense. But in the human form of life, I have got a separate business, self-realization, to get out of this bodily entanglement. And that is called knowledge. Without this knowledge, anything we are advancing in knowledge, that is foolishness, that's all. Samaya hi kevalam. Hare Krishna